Guys, it's me, Nikita again. Happy New Year to all of you guys, like literally, Happy New Year. And those who have their birthday, happy birthday too. So yesterday I stopped filming because I had to go somewhere. So that was the part one, and this is the part two of my slimes. So I'm gonna remove my slimes. Today I'm gonna show you, and we are also gonna see what their names. Okay. So we have a checklist. So I got this the first time I got a poopsi slime. So yeah, and this is a bull that we got, red bum, and this is the cutest penguin I've ever seen. Uni penguin because it has a unicorn. So yeah, uni penguin. So it's a unicorn penguin. So all I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna take a pencil and I'm gonna mark the names of these. So here's the checklist. It looks like this at the back, and this is the front. And this part right here, like bling means ultra rare and super, and sparkle, the purple one, metallic, and shimmer is brilliant. So yeah, we got the gold one, so I'm gonna take that. Got the gold one, so I take that. Then this is under the Pacific. These under the Pacific, and these are kind of rare. Okay, and these are fizzy farts. So this one is this. Its name is Chip and Doody. Chip and Doody. So I got this color, but somehow when I made that slime, it was really hard, so it got ruined. So yeah, I threw it out and I had another slime, so it was really cute, so I stored my other slime in it. So yeah, now that's it that we got in the front page. Now I'm gonna turn it. And we got, I guess this is the ultra rare, I guess, I don't know, but yeah, this is a penguin, like right there. I think so. I left this bottle in my home, so yeah, we got a pink color slime, and it was like a cherry and a vanilla. So yeah. So and then other thing we got, yeah, red bum. So I'm gonna take that. And we got the reddish pink color, hot pink basically. Yeah. And yeah, there's the Red Bull flavor. If you know. So that's it. And now I'm gonna show you my slimes. So yesterday I went out, so I saw these cute little boxes where after this, if the other piece of the slime doesn't fit, so other pieces which did not fit, I kept it in this. And if you're wondering what's this, because they get sometimes they get really hard, not really hard, so that's why I have some lotion. And I'm gonna open this first. You open it from here. It's just like flattened. Oh, it's really cute. So yeah, and it stretches really well. So yeah, sorry guys, I added the unicorn bling and the unicorn shimmer before I could film. So yeah, it's really stretchy. Look at my New Year nails. They look really pretty. So yeah, that's it for this slime. Basically, all the slimes that I got in the poopsie yesterday, they're all pink, like not purple, not blue, not nothing, but except pink. The pink got lighter because we added the unicorn shimmer, yeah, because that's pearl essence. So yeah, this is also the same, really stretchy, kind of stretchy, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it in. And now is the uni penguin. Oh, let me check what the name is because I really want to see what's the name of the penguin. Freezy. Hey Freezy. This is Freezy. This is Freezy. This is Red Bum. This is Chip and Dory. So yeah, those are cute names. Right? Yeah, cute names.